Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me, and I'm starting out with a bare face, which I usually don't do for my videos, but if you want to see how I created the look in the thumbnail, then please keep watching. So I'm going to do my eyebrows first with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the color Black Brown. And it looks like this, so it's very dark and it matches my eyebrows. I'm just going to use a little mirror like this so I can, I guess, angle my face right for the video. So as you can see, I like to start out with a line, and I bring the line all the way going down. And if you mess up like I did a little bit, that's okay because we're going to fill it in. Alright, so once we filled in the end, we can go ahead, get some more product and start filling in the middle. And I know this is supposed to be a chit chat get ready with me, but doing eyebrows takes a lot of focus. But then what I like to do is go in the front and feather out the front. So what I like to do is just take any black eyeshadow and just fill in the outer part just to make it look more natural. And I'm going to use my Fasanti 2 eyeshadow brush with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation and use these two to carve them out. Alright, so here is the finished eyebrow. And here's this eyebrow that we still have to do. And by the way, this is from my boyfriend's dog. So I think I'm gonna do something that is kind of a sunset. So I'm gonna go from pink to purple to, I think, or I'll go purple, pink, orange, and yellow. All right, so I'm first gonna go in with Radical right here, this purple shade, and put it in the outer corner and blend it up into a little bit onto the brow bone. And then right here I'm going to put the shade called Fanny Pack, and then I'll mix it a little bit with this shade as I'm transitioning into leg warmers, which I'll put right here. And then lastly I'll put neon, this neon yellow, and put it in the inner corner. So now I'm going to start the chit chat get ready with me part. I am currently about 19 because I am turning 19 on May 9th, which is why I'm doing a giveaway on that day. I am going to release the winner on that day, and I'm so excited because I can't wait to give this person all the goodies that I got them, which have not arrived yet, which I'm like, oh, so bummed about, but they'll arrive eventually. So. And then what I'm also going to do is use one blending brush to blend all of these colors up the brow bone. So some of the things that I'm getting for the giveaway are, let's see, I got gel liner for one of the things. It's in black. And I was going to get foundation for the winner, but I don't know who the winner is and I don't know their skin tone, so couldn't really do that. So now I'm using that pink shade. And I could see it's super bright, like super. So what I'm going to do is just be careful. And then to blend it up the brow bone, I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna take the pink shade, the really light pink shade. And then when we blended it that much, we can take our blending brush that we used for the purple and blend these two colors together. So I am currently not in school. I've been out of school for a while now, but I'm planning to go back in the summer for my community college. And hopefully that will get me some credits so I can eventually transfer, since I got waitlisted for the only school I applied to. So that's why you should always apply to more than one school if you're going to college. So now I'm taking the orange shade and just placing it right here. Bit is the inner corner, which we will leave for the yellow. I'm just going to bring all these colors up higher. So I brought it up higher and now it's looking really pretty. and there's a little bit of shine on one of my brushes, so it actually puts some shine on the brow bone, which is fine, but wasn't going for that. It's okay though. So now I'm going to take the yellow shade and just place it in the inner corner. And mix it a little bit with that orange shade. Alright, so here it is so far. I'll show you guys up close and then we'll do a cut crease. So here's the eye up close. I think it looks very beautiful so far. Now we are going to do a cut crease and put on the lid shade. So for my cut crease, I'm going to be using the same foundation and just go at it. And then for the lid, I'm going to be using the color Get Lost from my ColourPop Gimme Butterflies palette. It's the shiniest one right there. I think it looks really pretty to use. And then I'll also put a little bit of Overpacked on as well. And I'll put that in the outer corner over here. And before I apply those two eyeshadows, I'm going to apply my NYX Glitter Primer. So another thing about me is that I wear fake nails, as you can see, but this one broke. But I love fake nails, fake hair, fake eyelashes. Anything that starts with fake, you got your girl. Now, I'm not fake, I wouldn't say that. I would say that I'm actually very real, but I just like to, I guess, decorate myself. Put things on my face and put things in my hair. So I really like this eyeshadow because it has these flakes in it, but the bad thing about these flakes is they get literally everywhere and then you can't move them after. But as you can see, this eyeshadow is super shiny. So now I'm going to take the shade called Overpacked, which is basically glitter. I used it in my last video as well. And we're going to apply this over here. Alright, so now we have some purple shimmer going on and white in the inner corner. So now what we're going to do is the last step for this eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Violet Voss Vibes palette one more time and take the purple shade and finish up this outer V, of course, by just filling it in a little bit. So this is what we were left with. It looks so beautiful and I love it so much. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks up close and then I'll do the other eye off camera. So here is the eye all finished. I have a little tape mark on my face, of course, but if you like ignore that, then this is the look and it is so beautiful. Alright everybody, so I just finished off the other eye and here's what it looks like. It looks just the same as the other one. So now I'm going to apply some eyeliner and then I'll do my mascara and eyelashes, and then this will probably be the end of the video since I don't really want to do face makeup. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use my Sephora brand black eyeliner and just line my eyes and leave a little bit of a wing on the outer part. And then as you can see, I have a little sparkle like stuck. I think I just got it off. Yeah, so this is the eyeliner I'm going to be doing. I think it really like brings out the eye and everything. So now I'm going to do it to the other one and then I'll put on some eyelashes. All right, so I just put on the eyeliner on both my eyes and I also did it in the inner corner, as you can see. So I'm going to use my Maybelline The Falsies mascara. Alright everyone, so I just put my eyelashes on. Here's what everything looks like. And now I'm going to finish off the face makeup, so I'm not going to wear foundation, but I am going to use a little bit of my concealer from Maybelline. This is in Fair. And then I'm going to set it with my Airspun Naturally Neutral powder. And now for the rest of the face makeup, I'm just gonna use some blush and highlighter. This is my NARS blush in the color Desire, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna use a kabuki brush to apply this. And now while I'm doing the second to last step, let's talk about something else since I haven't talked about like anything. So I currently have a Twitch account. I'll put that in the link below if you guys wanna check it out. If you know Pokemon, then you definitely want to check it out because I am streaming Pokemon from my computer. So if you want to watch me, then follow. And yeah, so now I am putting a lot of highlight on because I like a lot of highlighter, as you can see. So once I have the highlighter on, we can go ahead and move to the bottom lash line. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take my Vibes palette and put purple down here and then pink. So I'm first putting purple on the outer V part of the lower lash line. And then I'm just taking the light pink shade and finishing off the lower part. Now we can apply mascara one more time, and then we will move to the lips, which I'm just putting a lipstick on. So the lipstick I'm going to be using today is this one by Maybelline. This is in the color Fuchsia for me, and it's supposed to be fuchsia, but it's like red. So I'm just going to apply this to my lips. All right, everybody, so I just put the lipstick on and I absolutely love it. It is the nice pink red shade and I really love it. So now I'm going to do my hair. So this is my hair completely out, not brushed at all. So I'm going to brush it and then that will be the end of the video. All right, everybody, so I just brushed my hair. As you can tell, I just went from like super nasty unbrushed hair to really nice fluffy hair. So this is the completed look. I absolutely love it so much. It is so beautiful and sparkly and super blended out. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up for me and comment down below any other kinds of videos you guys want to see, and I'll see you lovers in the next one. Bye.